morning students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to start chapter number 6 of First Flight, the 100 Dresses part 2, which is concluding part of the previous chapter, the 100 Dresses 1, as we finished in last lecture. Actually this is the next part of the story which we completed in the previous lecture, as we came to know about the Wanda Petronsky, and as she was absent in class for continuously 3 days, and when she was present, drawing competition was held, but in her absence, result of drawing competition was announced and Wanda was declared as the winner of this competition. In her absence, everybody, teachers, judges, as well as all the students, they were whistling, they were hooting, they were and applauding and enjoying and appreciating the drawings of Wanda Petronsky. So now with this part we have completed the 100 Dresses 1, and now we are going to start this next chapter and we will come to know what happened after that. So before getting explanation of this chapter, let's have a look on the hard words which we will cover today. Deliberately. Deliberately means knowingly. Indicated means show. Horror means crying. Pollock means meaningless word suggesting anger. Mean, very low in mentality. Gloat, got hopeful. Foreboding means very bad. Now students, in this chapter, character of the story, character of the chapters are as same as in the previous chapter. As Wanda Petronsky, a Polish girl, Peggy and Mary, two classmates of Wanda. And now Miss Mason, their class teacher, and one more character is there in the story, that is father of Wanda, Mr. Petronsky. Now let's have a look on the key points which we are going to cover today. First point is there, letter to Miss Mason from Wanda's father. Next, Miss Mason reads the letter. Next, Miss Mason's reaction to the letter. And next and last point which we will study today, that is Peggy and Mary's reaction. Now let's read or let's understand these points in detail. Students, now as first point is there, letter to Miss Mason from Wanda's father, and as we finished the last chapter by description of drawing competition which was held in Wanda's school, and it was a day of announcement of result and Wanda was declared as a winner. Everybody was applauding and appreciating her designs of drawing and they were very happy. At that time, what happened when everybody was praising Wanda's art and drawing of 100 dresses drawn by her, a notice from the principal came. And everybody was very shocked, everybody was surprised and curious to know about this letter. And now when they asked, then what was there? Everybody was asked to assemble. At that time, now as they were told to assemble, they were very shocked and they were surprised and very excited to know then why they were assembled, why they got order to assemble, to be assembled. Now at that time Miss Mason came and she announced that she had a letter from Wanda's father and she would read it loudly before the class. Now actually, as for continuously 3 days Wanda was absent in school, and now after 3 days all of a sudden Wanda's father sent a letter to Miss Mason, class teacher of Wanda. Now what was present in that letter? Then now let's come to know. As in the second point, Miss Mason reads the letter. Now Miss Mason read that letter aloud in the class in front of all the students. She read as it was sent by Mr. Petronsky, Wanda's father. she said that Mr. Petronsky, Wanda's father, told about Wanda's absence. Then he has given the reason then why he was absent, why she was absent in the class. He informed that she was leaving the school, Wanda was leaving the school because she was fed up of all the bullying that was going on. It means as she was tortured, as she was irritated, and she was teased by all the classmates, and because of this teasing and because of this bullying, she was going to leave the school. And he also informed that his family was going to settle in a big city where people are not going to laugh or tease them for their name, which everyone considered funny. It means here father came to know each and everything which was happening, which was occurring with Wanda daily in the school. So he mentioned all the things in the letter and told that as his family was going to shift from that Boggin Heights, because now here they are going to shift in a place, and Wanda was going to get admission in a school, that in that place they are going to shift where they would not get a teasing, they would not get any problem because of as a simple name, and because of their surroundings and because of their living style and as their level or their class, they would not get any problem, and they would not get this what do we call then mocking and fun, and it means they would not, and their child would not be teased by anyone. Now when this letter was read by Miss Mason, so what would be reaction of Miss Mason's to the letter? Let's find out. When Miss Mason finished the letter, she understood the letter and asked everyone not to hurt anyone's feeling. Actually this was going on, but all this matter was among the students. This was not known by Miss Mason. But when Miss Mason, class teacher of Wanda, read that letter, she understood each and everything. And now she told to everyone, to every student, that they should not hurt anyone's feeling, anybody's feeling, because of their name, because of their attire, because of their dressing sense, or because of anything. We should not, we are not having a right to tease anyone. She asked them to think about this matter. As Mr. Petronsky hadn't blamed anyone, the student of the class felt very ashamed. Even Mr. Petronsky did not reveal and he did not mention the name of anybody. But he told this thing, then here Wanda was teased in the school. So now here Miss Mason understood everything, and student also understood each and everything, because all these things were going to be done by them. That's why they understood each and everything, and now they were feeling ashamed by themselves, because they knew very well that here if Wanda had to shift, if her family had to leave that place, if they had to take this decision, this was happening only because of these classmates. So they were feeling very embarrassed. Now, what was the reaction of Peggy and Mary's towards this condition? Let's find out in last point. When Miss Mason left the school, after reading the letter, Miss Mason left the class. Everybody was silent and feeling ashamed of their behavior towards Wanda. Now, as Wanda's father hadn't blamed anyone, but Peggy and Mary were guilty of their behavior. Mary was very upset. Though she never teased Wanda directly, she remained a silent spectator and never stopped Peggy. Peggy, who teased Wanda every time, also felt ashamed, and both of them decided. What they decided? As Peggy was the main culprit and she knew very well, because she was leading all the time for teasing Wanda. And later on that teasing was followed by other students and Mary. Even Mary did not say directly, but as she was standing by Peggy all the time, so she was having the same role in teasing and making fun of Wanda. So both of them were feeling very guilty and they were feeling very embarrassed at that time, and both of them had decided then they would go to Wanda's house to ask and to get the complete information about their shifting. Now later on they went to their home, went to the home of Wanda, and what they found out, that part we will read in next part, in next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.